The Mauritian Prime Minister Pravin Kumar Jugnauth is on a 3-day tour of India, as he chose India as his first port of call after assuming office. India too laid out the red carpet to make him feel welcome and make it a truly historic and memorable first visit. Now, apart from announcing a $500 million line of credit to Mauritius, India offered unconditional cooperation in the key area of maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that is, also assured Mauritius of continued Indian support in other important sectors, including skill development and human resource development.
Prime Minister of Mauritius, Pravin Jugnauth, had extensive delegation-level talks with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. At the conclusion of the talks, both the countries inked 4 important agreements in the field of education, maritime security, marine science and technology. In the joint press statement that followed, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterated India's resolve to work closely with a country which shares unique historical and cultural ties with us.
Your visit reflects the depth of our ties that have endured and enhanced over 2 centuries. And our bonds are not limited to governments. They extend to our people and societies who take pride in our shared roots. Our bonds have flourished despite time and distance. Today, they weave a rich tapestry of friendship in diverse areas.
On the occasion, India also announced a $500 million line of credit to Mauritius. On his part, Mauritian Prime Minister Jugnauth also stressed upon the cultural ties that bind the 2 nations together. He further stated that in recent times, the defense and security ties have also seen an upward shift. He also said that police officers in Mauritius have immensely benefited by the training they undertook in India.
The training dispensed to our police personnel, which have enhanced their skills and competencies in matters relating to the protection of our waters and territories and the preservation of peace and stability in the country and in the region.
Mauritius once again confirmed its support for the permanent seat for India at the United Nations Security Council.
I likewise reiterated to the Honorable Prime Minister of India the unwavering support of Mauritius to India's legitimate aspiration to permanent membership at the UN Security Council.
Besides the agreements, the 2 nations also decided to increase cooperation in a number of areas, including trade and investment. PM Modi also laid emphasis on cooperation in skill development during the talks. Sudhir Yadav's report, DD News.